Your buttons open.
हाँ, पर्पसली मैंने ओपन रखा है. आपने ओपन रखा है, मैंने आपको कॉपी किया.
That's a great treat for me. You're wearing army boots.
I purposely wore army boots because
That's some
I thought
detailing यार. तुमने वो rock climbing वाली भी सब cliffhanger की तरह ये भी लटका के आए हो. That's nice. ये निकल गया तुम्हारा.
क्या निकल गया? Oh, thank you. पुलकित मुझे इतना नोटिस कर रहे हैं ना. जुनूनियत की जो शुरुआत हुई वो सनम रे के साथ ही हुई थी, राइट? शूटिंग दोनों के साथ ही हुई थी. So how did you manage to do this? You know, सनम रे का एक अलग कैरेक्टर थे, आपने 16 to 60 का जो टाइम स्पैन था वो प्ले किया, एंड देन फिर उसके बाद यहाँ पर जहान और सुहानी दो अलग अलग कैरेक्टर्स. तो कभी ऐसे मिक्स नहीं हुआ या you know how difficult was it or it was very easy?
For me it wasn't that big a difference because you know it wasn't too much of a difference. That was a little subtle character. This one is a stronger character. That was the only difference for me to portray. I'm sure for her it was quite difficult because we were shooting back to back, and like if we pack up today, the next day we're on the Sanam Rekha set, and for her I think that would have been difficult.
ये डिसीजन किसने लिया था कि पहले सनम रे रिलीज होगी उसके बाद जुनूनियत रिलीज होगी? क्योंकि
दिव्या खोसला कुमार.
अच्छा.
And a husband.
जहान और सुहानी में ऐसी क्या बातें हैं जिससे आप रिलेट करते हैं?
जहान और सुहानी में?
हाँ, आपका कैरेक्टर जहान और सुहानी कैसे रिलेट?
What do you relate with Jahan? I think he loves with a lot of passion. That is what my love would be.
Okay. And Suhani?
Suhani would be love that she has for her family and respect. So that I relate a lot.
And she's very chirpy, she's very bubbly. That's what I loved about this girl, Suhani. And
I also love that thing only about her. Yeah, I really like that also. And it's the first time I'm attempting something like that. So I'm hoping that the audience.
Yeah, but she doesn't need to attempt that. She in real life is quite chirpy and bubbly and lively, which you have not seen so far on the screen. So to see that avatar of her, which is what she is off screen as well. So that's an interesting thing. Like
it was a treat for guys to see you in that red short dress when you are doing this Nachangi Sari Raat. सनम रे में तो अपनी शर्ट उतारी, इसमें क्यों नहीं उतारी? मतलब लड़कियों के लिए तो नाइंसाफी हो गई है.
इसमें उतारी थी मैंने, उन्होंने
तो इन लोगों ने थिएट्रिकल में डाला ही नहीं है.
सीन कट कर दिया है.
डालना चाहिए.
कट कर दिया.
Like 1 million तो एक ही दिन में हुए थे. वो how to.
My director is up there only right now editing the film, so you can talk to him.
I will definitely.
Tell him. Otherwise he'll do a special screening of that scene with you.
So इसमें आप एक आर्मी पर्सन हैं और आप मिलिट्री बैकग्राउंड से हैं, है ना, जिनके डैडी नहीं चाहते कि वो एक आर्मी बंदे से शादी करे, which is very strange. क्यों ऐसा?
Yeah, it sounds strange, but it's actually true because a lot of families, even today, there are a lot of middle class families that actually go with the notion that we cannot give away our daughter to an army guy, in spite of themselves being from an army background.
They have this mentality.
So that why and how and what and where and all that stuff, all that is answered in Jununiyat, along with a sweet love story that's going there. So I think that's a very unique conflict that we have in the film.
तो ये जो आर्मी का बैकग्राउंड होता है ना, ये आर्मी के जो लोग होते हैं बहुत ही डिसिप्लिन्ड होते हैं, काफ़ी सारे रिस्ट्रिक्शंस रहते हैं. बचपन में हमारे भी काफ़ी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस रहते हैं. तो आपकी लाइफ में कभी कोई ऐसा जो बहुत ही स्ट्रिक्ट है, जो कि बहुत ही डिसिप्लिन्ड है और आपको भी बाउंड्रीज में रखना चाहा कभी किसी ने बचपन में?
My family, yeah.
Okay.
100%. My mom for sure.
She's the most strict person in your family.
Yeah, she has to be.
Okay.
To raise a kid like me, you have to be very strict. It's not easy.
What about you?
I think my father. In terms of discipline, he's not strict, but discipline, I think he still till date makes sure that I'm as organized as possible. In fact, both my parents, in fact, but especially my father, from arranging my tax files to maybe my wardrobe, he will make sure, or he has always made sure that it should always be organized, because it should just be organized, not depend on anyone.
Wardrobe means what you wear, or wardrobe means the organizing?
Cleanliness, the organizing.
Okay.
From tax files till wardrobe, everything has to be organized.
Real life में आपकी जुनूनियत क्या है? जी.
That would be my work here for sure. Like I would do anything, and apart from that, just to keep the people I love really happy, and anything I would do would be to keep them happy, and I would do anything for that. So that is the Jununiyat.
Lovely. What about you?
For me, it'll be my family or people whom I love the most. If they smile, I smile. If they're upset, that makes me upset. Nothing can just cheer me up, or nothing matters. No materialistic success or anything. If they're happy, if my loved ones, I can conquer the world. So
You're wearing army boots, man.
I purposely wore army boots because
That's some
I thought
detailing,
कि-
यार.
क्योंकि आप भी army मतलब you know यहाँ पर काफी
हाँ,
ज्यादा वैसी
तुमने
है.
वो रॉक क्लाइंबिंग
That's
वाली
sweet of
भी
you,
सब क्लिफ
मैंने
हैंगर
ये
की तरह ये
जानबूझ
भी
के
लटका के आया
पहना
हूँ.
है, so that-
That's really
That's
sweet
nice.
of you.
Thank you so very much. Been appreciated by Yami and Pulkit. What else do you need
Wow,
in this
no, I've
world
worn
now?
these boots for the entire film.
They actually ना
They're very comfortable. They're very
मैं
nice.
जिस शहर से हूँ
and
वो
they're not as heavy as they look.
No, they are
They're
not
very
heavy.
comfortable
They're
and
very
they have a great
comfortable.
grip.
आप ऋतिक के साथ काबिल कर रही हैं, which is about a love story of a blind couple, right? So देखने में तो बहुत easy लगता है कि भैया ऐसे कर लो वो हो जाता है, लेकिन कितने words उसमें डालने पड़ते हैं जो play a handicapped या और would say कि
Yeah. Are
specially
you doing
abled
this in
people.
the film?
Would you like to see me
मैं
doing
कहाँ
this? नहीं ऐसे कोई acting नहीं होती है. ऐसे बिल्कुल नहीं है. I think you're trying to make it as realistic as possible. That's why we've had workshops. And a lot of effort is going by everybody, our director, our writer, our DOP, everybody on the set, of course Hrithik for sure, but everybody is making sure from their side to make it look as authentic in terms of be it performance, in terms of the characters, in terms of the lighting, in terms of everything, every department, to make it look as authentic, and you should not feel ये ऐसे करके क्या आ रहा है, ऐसा नहीं है.
आपकी अगली फिल्म बादशाह है अजय देवगन के
I can
साथ.
see till your stomach, man.
मुझे एम्बैरेस करने का ना कोई मौका नहीं छोड़ेंगे आज तो, बिल्कुल सच में बता रहा हूँ. एक तो मेरे को भी
नहीं.
पूरा स्टमक तक दिख रहा है.
मैं आ रहा हूँ धीरे-धीरे नीचे ही आ रहा हूँ मैं.
अच्छा,
Great, thank you.
गुड.
Yeah.
ओके, वील डू सम फटाफट राउंड. अभी मैं
Yes.
आपसे एक सवाल पूछूंगा जो फर्स्ट आपके जहन में जो जवाब आता है वो आपको देना
हाँ.
पड़ेगा. माय फेवरेट
Both together?
हाँ जी.
Both together?
नहीं एक एक करके.
एक-एक
ठीक है, सो
करके?
वील स्टार्ट फ्रॉम
तो
पुलकित.
फिर like if I answer first then she gets time to think.
हाँ तो अच्छा है ना, लड़कियों को तो वैसे भी थोड़ा छूट देना चाहिए.
एक साथ कर लेते हैं.
ओके चलो ठीक है, एक साथ कर लेते हैं.
Okay.
माय फेवरेट ऑल टाइम रोमांटिक बॉलीवुड फिल्म इज.
मैंने प्यार किया.
I was just gonna say that. Let me think of. It'll be
Thinking is not allowed. The first answer
See,
that comes to your head. Yeah.
Titanic.
Oh, lovely. I find this on. वैसे I said Bollywood. I didn't say
Oh,
Hollywood.
Bollywood. Okay.
That's okay.
DD Arjun.
It was a Hindi story only.
DD Arjun.
हाँ, डब
एक
करके
गरीब एक
हिंदी
गरीब
मूवी की
एक
तरह.
गरीब लड़का अमीर लड़की के साथ प्यार में पागल हो जाता है.
Bollywood
उसका परिवार उसके अगेंस्ट है.
बॉलीवुड होता तो हीरो आइसबर्ग पे होता, धक्का पीछे मार देता, नहीं डूबता. तो जिस एरा में वो बनी है, that way.
Okay, I find this on-screen couple the most romantic.
I think
पुलकित एंड यामी.
Madhu Balaji and Dilip Sam.
Pulkit and Yami. सनम रे के
तुम्हारी
बाद
क्या
से
choice
actually.
है यार?
पुलकित and Yami of
हाँ,
course.
तो फिर ये क्यों सवाल हुआ?
अच्छा, सनम रे या जुनूनियत. मैंने बोला
जुनूनियत.
दोनों आंखों में से कौन सा फेवरेट?
जुनूनियत.
जुनूनियत.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think the best?
अभी इसके बाद
love-
पूछोगे काबिल बोलेंगे, मैं फुकरे 2 बोलूँगा.
What is your favorite food to bring to bed? Strawberries, chocolate, or whipped cream?
Strawberries, man, come on.
Chocolates.
What clothes turn you on in a girl?
What clothes turn me on in a girl?
हाँ.
I think maybe normal clothes, yeah. मतलब
It would be sari or it would be the short dress or something like that.
never a short dress.
Hmm.
Never a short dress.
Ah.
The more the covered, the more the inquisitive you are.
What about you in a boy?
You should leave a lot to imagination.
हाँ, actually ना.
Yeah, and guys are good at it, so that's how it is.
I think they should be able to carry off anything. I think just a pair of jeans and a
अच्छा, it's
a
been saying
t-shirt.
that blue jeans and white shirt guys look good in that. So do you believe in that?
Yeah, totally. I don't think guys should spend that much time also.
मैंने उल्टा पहन लिया आज. White jeans और blue shirt.
हाँ, वैसे भी hot लगते हैं यार.
Yeah, they shouldn't take much time in vanity.
I had a lovely time talking to Pulkit and Yami. आपको
so.
थैंक यू सो वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग इन द शो. आपको याद रखना है 24 जून डेट है. आपको पायरेटेड सीडीज डीवीडीज बिल्कुल नहीं लेना है, डाउनलोड नहीं करना है मूवी को. थिएटर पे जाइए, मजे लीजिए मूवी के, क्योंकि कास्ट इतनी ब्यूटीफुल है और स्टोरी अमेजिंग है. थैंक यू सो वेरी मच.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. See you guys at the movies.